Today I am reviewing GMKtec Nucbox G2 Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The GMKtec Nucbox G2 Plus Mini PC is one of those compact computers that really proves that powerful things can come in small packages. At just a few inches in size and weighing less than 2 pounds, this little machine can easily fit on a desk, behind a monitor with its VESA mount, or even travel with you. But don't let the size fool you. Inside, it packs a surprising amount of performance and features that make it stand out in the world of budget-friendly mini PCs. At the heart of this device is the Intel Twin Lake N150 processor. This is a quad-core CPU that can turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz, giving it the muscle you need for daily computing tasks. Compared to earlier entry-level Intel chips like the N100 or N95, the N150 offers around a 6 to 15% bump in performance. That means smoother multitasking, faster web browsing, and more responsive applications, even when you have several programs running at once. For office work, online learning, photo editing, or just everyday tasks like video calls and document editing, it handles things with ease. What really sets the G2 Plus apart is its memory and storage. It comes with 12 GB of fast DDR5 RAM, running at 4,800 MHz. That's a big improvement over older DDR4 systems, and it allows this mini PC to keep up with demanding workloads. Combined with the built-in 512GB SSD, which boots Windows 11 Pro in just seconds, you get a machine that feels snappy and responsive from the moment you turn it on. And if 512 GB isn't enough, you can upgrade the storage up to 2 TB, making it future-proof for anyone who needs more space. Connectivity is another strong point. The G2 Plus comes with dual Gigabit LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Having 2 Ethernet ports is particularly useful if you plan to use this mini PC as a small server for network routing or for advanced setups. Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster and more stable wireless performance, perfect for streaming and online gaming. Bluetooth 5.2 also means you can connect wireless peripherals like keyboards, mice, headphones, or even printers without any lag. For those who need multiple screens, the GMKtec Nucbox G2 Plus has you covered. It supports triple display output, with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 1 DisplayPort 1.4. Each of these can output 4K at 60 Hz, allowing you to connect 3 monitors at once. This is great for productivity, stock trading, programming, or even entertainment setups. Imagine having one screen for work, another for research or browsing, and a third for streaming or video calls, all running smoothly from this tiny computer. Graphics are handled by Intel UHD graphics with 24 execution units. While this isn't designed for heavy gaming, it does support 4K video playback, AV1 decoding, and light gaming. You can easily enjoy YouTube in 4K, watch Netflix, or use it as a home theater PC. For indie or older titles, you'll also get decent performance, especially if you adjust the settings. Another benefit of this mini PC is its efficiency. It only consumes around 10 watts of power, far less than a traditional desktop. That makes it not only eco-friendly, but also a money saver on electricity bills over time. It runs cool and quiet thanks to its built-in fan, so you don't have to worry about noise even when it's working hard. GMKtec also includes useful features like Auto Power On, Wake on LAN, and PXE Boot, making it flexible for IT setups, servers, or people who want to keep their systems accessible remotely. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just someone who wants a clutter-free and efficient PC, these features add a lot of value. In terms of reliability, GMKtec offers a 1-year warranty and dedicated after-sales support. With a growing community of users and positive feedback, it's clear that they've built a reputation for delivering solid mini PCs that balance performance and price. Overall, the GMKtec Nucbox G2 Plus is an excellent choice if you're looking for a compact yet capable desktop computer in 2025. With its Intel N150 processor, 12 GB of DDR5 memory, 512GB SSD, triple 4K display support, and strong connectivity options, it punches well above its size and price range. Whether you need it for office work, education, streaming, or as a small home server, it's a versatile and efficient solution. For anyone who wants a balance of portability, power, and value, this is one of the best mini PCs you can get right now.